Hello, welcome. Hello, and welcome to Pachyderm Industries SkyTraktor presentation, presented by Brady Haugo. UVM, Utility Vegetation Management, has some extreme issues. Extreme risk. Climbing into trees with chainsaws is the most dangerous occupation. Extreme terrain, mountains and cliffs and rivers and swamps, oh my. Extreme costs. Helicopter tree trimming, pictured, can cost $30,000 per hour. Extreme fire risks. Half of the worst fires in California's history have been due to utilities. Employment challenges. 60% turnover rate. Dangerous frontline work is mostly performed by minority workers. This is SkyTraktor TRL-6. It's an advanced system that hangs patented cutting tools from heavy lift drones. With Skylock technology, operators can quickly swap out tools without landing. Pictured is the SkySaw, which is a lightweight grapple saw, able to fly trimmings right to the chipper, and the Skyblade, which is multiple high-speed cutting blades. SkyTraktor is solving UVM's extreme challenges. For safety, you let the tool take the risk. Terrain tolerance, the drone doesn't care what's beneath it. Reduce costs by reducing heavy equipment usage in transportation. Reduce wildfire risk through forest thinning without the need for access trails. Reduce employee turnover for high-tech career paths. We are targeting large North American UVM companies. Total North American UVM size is 10.1 billion. The SAM is 4 billion, which includes mechanical equipment and aerial devices. The obtainable market for these top 5 UVM companies is 120 million. Competitive landscape. Comparing SkyTraktor with ground and pole tools, bucket lift trucks, boom trimmer, otherwise known as giraffe, climbing arborist, and a helicopter. The scoring metrics are safety, data integration, small jobs and costs, terrain and slope, and soil disturbances. Using these metrics, SkyTraktor is able to beat out the competition. Here's a look at the operating expenses comparing SkyTraktor with traditional bucket truck and climbing crew. SkyTraktor can save UVM's $1,800 per day, annual savings of about $450,000 with no payback period. These savings show up right from day one. The revenue model for SkyTraktor is a combination of hardware leasing and software leasing for a combined yearly revenue of $75,000 per year per unit. A typical life expectancy of the drone and tool is 5 years with general maintenance. At year 5, the annual recurring revenue is estimated at 3.7 million with a 6% gross margin. The go-to market strategy, initially prioritizing the top 5 UVM contractors in North America with revenue above 500 million. The sales model is a high-touch industrial style with on-site visits and field demos. The 12-month execution roadmap involves pilot projects with 2 beachhead customers. Financial projections over 5 years show strong metered growth, with year 5 at 3.75 million, equating to roughly 50 units in the field, expecting a 22% EBITDA average. SkyTraktor is looking for a $1 million investment as a pre-seed financing round. This $1 million round is designed to take us through our most critical value inflection point, the transition from development to market entry. SkyTraktor team is led by Pachyderm Industries CEO and founder Brady Haugo with 20 years of product development. Brady has scaled a product line from 0 to over 8 million in yearly sales. Also on board is Lee Corbin, professional drone pilot, former line worker, and co-owner of Linebird, a drone company that specializes in using drones for utility line maintenance procedures. We also have a new partnership with Parallel Flight Technologies. The SkyTraktor Advisors Group has been hand-selected to include specialized skill sets in high-tech hardware startups, along with ecological and UVM backgrounds. We are building the future of industrial vegetation management. We're looking for partners who understand the scale of this challenge and want to help us deploy the first commercial fleet of SkyTraktors. Let's talk about how we can scale this together. Thank you.